I want you to follow my finger, but don't move your head. Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about the field sobriety tests. These are the tests police use during a traffic stop to check if a driver might be under the influence of alcohol or drugs. So what are field sobriety tests? Field sobriety tests are physical and mental tasks designed to assess coordination, balance, and attention. The goal is to see if the driver shows signs of impairment that might indicate they're too intoxicated to drive safely. These tests are standardized by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. And there are 3 main ones. Horizontal gaze nystagmus. The officer asks you to follow an object, like a pen or a flashlight, with your eyes. They're looking for involuntary jerking movements, which can be a sign of intoxication. Walk and turn test. You're asked to walk heel to toe in a straight line for 9 steps, turn, and walk back the same way. This checks your balance, coordination, and ability to follow directions. One-leg stand test. You're asked to stand on one leg about 6 inches off the ground while counting aloud. The officer looks for signs of imbalance, like swaying or putting your foot down, using your arms for balance. Are these tests mandatory? In most states, these tests are optional. You can politely refuse to take them. However, refusing could make the officer more suspicious and may lead to an arrest based on other observations, like slurred speech or the smell of alcohol. For example, imagine being pulled over and the officer asks you to do the walk and turn test. If you stumble, lose balance, or don't follow instructions, that officer might consider that as evidence of impairment. Field sobriety tests aren't foolproof. They rely on the officer's judgment and factors like nervousness or medical conditions that can affect your performance. If you're ever in this situation, stay calm, know your rights, and consult a lawyer if needed. We'll talk more about the test validity and how to defend failed tests in a future lesson. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.